In this session, we are going to see how it is so much easy to capture the deadlock and blocking event in SQL Planner within just 3-4 clicks. So let us go to analyzing of SQL Server health in SQL Planner, and I'll choose one of them, SQL Server, to analyze its health. Within this, we'll be able to see the deadlock and blocking event and navigate to deadlock tab. Basically, here we see that overall how many deadlock has occurred on this specific database. If you have multiple of database where deadlock has occurred, it will be the counts of deadlock by the database for the specific days you have selected for. Similarly, this is by the table wise, and this is hourly wise how many deadlock has happened. This is a deadlock count by hourly by our object wise. Now we need to see which query has caused it. We have those details here. So you can see that deadlock victims is with the SPID and what was the query and which query has caused this deadlock victim. So those details are in this tab. So it is very quickly you can analyze the deadlock complete information on a specific server. If you want to export it to Excel for a better view, you can do that quickly, and it will export these data into your Excel sheet. Meanwhile it loads. Okay, here we have very good look and feel in the Excel sheet. Now let us navigate to blocked tab, wherein we can see that specific query, how many of them has been blocked. So total 16 16 16 queries has been blocked during this 3 days of period, and this is based on blocked time, total blocked time by the day level. So this itself says, okay, on December 2nd, the blocking was found about 2647 seconds. Now this report explains about total blocked time by database and the database date level basically. So if you mouse over, you would see on 29th November on deadlock database we had 9981 seconds time when it was blocked basically. Now this total blocked count by the database. Now which query has caused blocking of a specific query and the specific query that was responsible for it. Now we have complete information captured it in SQL Planner, and this will be live from 15th December 2020 onwards. Hope you like this feature in SQL Planner. Have a good day.